Jai Srimanarayana. 11th sloka of 15th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yatanto yoginaschainam pasyanti atmani avasthitam yatantopi akrutatmano nainam pasyanti achetasaha. Om. Remember to keep on striving to perceive yourself. To do that, you have to keep on performing your activities efficiently without expecting rewards. To do that, you have to surrender to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Surrender to Krishna Paramatma. Keep performing your activities as service of Sri Krishna Paramatma and keep on striving to perceive yourself. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on performing my activities as your service and without expecting rewards of it. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on striving to perceive myself. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupetamapetaकृत्यam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Om haraye namaha. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamo 10th Skandham 299th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Savanaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, "Oh Parikshit Narendra, Kaliya's wives, they are praying Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Oh Krishna, Kalaya Kalanabhaya, Kalavayavasakshine. Oh Krishna, you are the personification of Kalam. That means you are Kalam, you are time. You are the one who is functioning the cycle of Kalam, Kala Chakram. And at all circumstances, at all times, like Srishti, Sthiti, Laya, in all stages, you are the one who is witnessing everything. Such, O Sri Krishna, I am doing namaskaram to you. Vishvaya tadupadrashte tatkartre vishvahetave Vishvambuni vayai Vishvambuchuchuchu Vishvambucheyuchu Vishvamunakuhetuvai. Oh Krishna, you are this entire universe, and you are being like this universe. You are the one who is constructing this universe, and you are the one who is taking care of this universe, this entire Vishwam. For this, the main cause is you. You are the cause of all the causes. Only with your sankalpam you do this Srishti Karyam. All the entities in this Srishti, like Pancha Tanmatras, senses, Pranam, Manas, intellect, everything is you. Such, O Sri Krishna, I am doing namaskaram to you. Namo Nantaya Sukshmaya Kutasthaya Vipaschite Nanavada Anurodhaya Vachya Vachaka Shaktaye. Kutasthudavu Samastambu Nerugu Neeku Mrokkedamu Alimpu Nirmalatma. Oh Krishna, you are infinite. You are so subtle. You are very highly intellect, and you know everything. Such, O Sri Krishna, such, O pure soul, Nirmalatma, I am doing namaskaram to you. Like that, Kaliya's wives praying and praising Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Vishvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 15th chapter, 11th sloka. Yatanto yoginaschainam pasyantyatmanyavasthitam yatantopyakrutatmanaha nainam pasyantyachetasah. Yatanto yoginaschainam pasyantyatmanyavasthitam yatantopyakrutatmanaha nainam pasyantyachetasah. Srimannarayana. కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.